How to watch Netflix on Android Auto. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to watch Netflix on Android Auto. Now, as a heads up, Android Auto doesn't officially support video streaming for safety reasons, but I'll show you a workaround to make it happen. Android Auto is designed to keep drivers safe by limiting distractions on the road, so video streaming apps like Netflix aren't available directly through the Android Auto interface. But if you're a passenger or parked, there are some ways you can still enjoy Netflix on your car's display. Let's take a look at a couple of methods. First, it's important to know that Android Auto doesn't allow video playback while the car is moving to prevent distractions. You'll need to be either parked or have a passenger use the method. If you're a passenger, just make sure the car is in parked mode. You can download software like CarStream that allows you to stream video content, including Netflix, directly on your Android Auto display. To use CarStream, you'll need to download it from third-party sources since it's not available on the Google Play Store. Once you've installed CarStream, you can open it and link your Netflix account. Simply search for Netflix and you should be able to stream directly to your Android Auto screen while the car is parked. And that's how you can watch Netflix on Android Auto. While there isn't an official way to do this, these workarounds can get you watching your favorite shows while you're parked.